Hello, everyone. I thought everyone needed some healing. We're all feeling awful. Everything that's happening is just hopeless, seemingly, doesn't it? But tonight, the 5th of June, is the Rose Moon. And on my other channel, I'll give you the link, I'm going to show you how to remember that you have God within you, that you're connected to God. It's not about reconnecting, it's about remembering who you are, your beauty, your talents, connecting with God. You could call it ASMR, though it's I never thought it to be, but I was told that's what you're doing, and I never realized it. So it might help you fall asleep, believe it or not. But I show you how to make incense, which purifies things. That's what, doesn't matter what religion you believe in. All the religions began with incense. They all burned incense. Before the Ark of the Covenant, as they were sacrificing the animals, they burned incense. But they all do, because it purifies, it makes sacred, it makes ready the place of the Lord. In Catholic churches, they burn. And that was given to Jesus, myrrh and frankincense, right? It purifies. Frankincense, myrrh has antiseptic qualities to it, by the way. That's why they anoint the bodies with it after they die. You take it down from the cross. So, and I'll show you how to make rosewater and holy water. Because we all need to be renewed and fresh and see light in darkness. It might be, you say, a bit long. There's a lot in there that's good. And you might really need to hear this and see this now. So I placed this rose in here, and I didn't know that it matched the rose on the cup. And it's been sitting in here, and I went to drink it. It tastes like roses. And then my nose falls into the rose. And I can smell the roses. And it's like, I feel God. I do. Beautiful. Remember that you're beautiful. And these simple things can remind you that you're beautiful. This was from a tag sale. This is one of 2 rose bushes I have left. My father dug up and killed the rest. I had 25 at one time. But he cut these in half. He destroyed them. But they're still blooming, no matter how the Grim Reaper, my father, the Grim Reaper, what the Grim Reaper did to them. Look at the beauty. They're coming up, even though they're flat against the house, so they avoid the lawnmower. Everything is about the lawnmower. He killed the blueberry bushes too. And I always say, why don't you just dig up the grass? Just remove the grass, pour acid, or just pour pavement on it and paint it green. They need to be out there painting it all day. Some of the paint's coming off. That's the most important thing, I swear to God. Anyway, at the end, the whole thing is ASMR, but it's kind of like a meditation at the end. Some things for you to think about to help us renew this world, renew the face of the earth, be created once again in God's light and beauty. Reconnect and know that God is within us. Beauty is within us. Our talents are within us. Be centered, even if you're an atheist. Be a center and reconnect, So I thought I would let you know on one channel that's going to be on the Diamond Realm. I chose, maybe I'll put it on the Sparkling Seventh Speaks as well. I might. Because it's spiritual. It's very important. We need it. Rather than a talk about all the miserable things out there. I'm sure everything, TV and the computer, has enough of that. So we don't need more of that. We need to reconnect with who we are, to know who we are, and to know, get a sense of how we can make this world better, renew it, maybe better than before. How about that? We need it. So I suggest watching it even if it's long. And even if you find yourself kind of falling asleep, that's okay. It's great. That's ASMR. Help you fall asleep. But watch it. Watch it in stages. I know. It's worth it. It's totally worth it. Just doesn't belong on Wicked Felina. See, and I'm all dressed in gold and anything that's real gold that I have, or lots of this is fake gold, but it's roses reminding to remind me. We must be reminded of our beauty, of our true beauty. Yes, you do. You have to try this. You just have to try this. Just a rose. I'll show you how. Stem is short, so when you put it in there, look at this. This is, you see this? This little rose inside there too. It's a perfect color. It's exactly the same rose. It's amazing. But that's all you have to do. And you're drinking roses. That's incredible. This is my favorite drink. If you ever see this in the shop, it's lemon rosewater, but it's just regular tap water. I don't have. I think it's a couple $. But this tastes like roses and lemon. It's fantastic. And look at this. Is all you have to do. Just do this. Let it sit for a little while, and then start to drink it. But make sure there's no pesticides on it. It's nice and clean. Wash it first. You could do that. Well, anyway, see you on another channel. I think I'll put it on both the Diamond Realm and the Sparkling Seventh Speaks. How about that? Okay. Okay, everybody. I hope you enjoy. Good night, and God bless you.